Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Amplifying text 28 of chapter 17, The Divisions of Faith of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 28. Ashraddhaya huttam dattam tapastaptam kruttam sayat asadita cha yuchyate parthanaca tata pretaya no iha. Anything done as sacrifice, charity, or penance without faith in the Supreme, O son of Prutha, is impermanent. It is called asat and is useless both in this life and in the next. Anything done without the transcendental objective, whether it be sacrifice, charity, or penance, is useless. Therefore, in this verse, it is declared that such activities are abominable. Everything should be done for the Supreme, in Krishna's consciousness. Without such faith and without the proper guidance, there can never be any fruit. In all the Vedic scriptures, faith in the Supreme is advised. In the pursuit of all Vedic instructions, the ultimate goal is the understanding of Krishna. No one can obtain success without following this principle. Therefore, the best course is to work from the very beginning in Krishna's consciousness under the guidance of a bona fide spiritual master. That is the way to make everything successful. In the conditional state, people are attracted to worshipping demigods, ghosts, or yakshas like Kuvera. The mode of goodness is better than the modes of passion and ignorance, but one who takes directly to Krishna's consciousness is transcendental to all three modes of material nature. Although there is a process of gradual elevation, if one, by the association of pure devotees, takes directly to Krishna's consciousness, that is the best way. And that is recommended in this chapter. To achieve success in this way, one must first find the proper spiritual master and receive training under his direction. Then one can achieve faith in the Supreme. When that faith matures, in course of time, it is called love of God. This love is the ultimate goal of the living entities. One should therefore take to Krishna's consciousness directly. That is the message of this 17th chapter. Thank you.